Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video is all about testing my Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. See guys, I am so excited having this food processor in my kitchen. Like, it does a lot. It makes the work easier. Wow, seriously, I am giving this food processor 5/5 for now, right? It does a lot. Guys, you need to watch this video to the end. You need to see a lot I was able to do with this food processor. Having this food processor in my kitchen means a lot to me. See guys, you can't afford to miss this video. Watch till the end and testify for yourself. So guys, this is a new channel, right? And I'm still growing it. I need your suggestions. I need your support. Any suggestion you have for me, please be kind enough to put it on the comment section. I'm here to learn and I'm still learning and I will keep learning. Please let me learn from you. Even while you are learning from me, I will be so happy to see your comments, your suggestion. Support your girl by liking and sharing my video. By so doing, my video is reaching to many other people who I might not know, who you know, who is among your friends. Please share my video so it can reach to many other people. Also, support your girl by subscribing to my channel. By so doing, you are supporting me and you are encouraging me to drop more video. Please guys, let's grow this channel together. Thank you so far to my subscribers. I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. And to my intending subscribers, you are welcome. You know, you are so dear to me. I can't wait to have you among my subscribers and among my community team. Alright guys, stay tuned. Let's get straight to the business. This video we'll be trying out our smoothie cup. We'll be testing our smoothie cup. We'll be making smoothie with it. Let's see how smooth our smoothie is going to turn out with our Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. Alright guys, stay tuned. So guys, having put the smoothie on top of the machine, I on it. I didn't tight it well, so it's not going to on until I tight it. You have to hear the click sound for you to know you've tightened it well. Once you tight it and on it, the button, the auto IQ setting it has, is automatically on the button that you're supposed to use for that bowl, or for that smoothie cup, or for that bowl, right? So for this one, it's on the blend, mass blend, and the puree. And of course, because I want to blend this, I'm going to select puree. Guys, we just finished blending, so we're going to pour into our cup. See how smooth it is. It blended it smoothly. See guys, for this I'm giving it 5/5. I'm so impressed. So guys, we'll be using the 2.1 liters bowl. We'll be using it to blend our moi moi. See, moi moi is so dear to me and I've missed it so much. And if this is able to blend my moi moi, that means it can really blend my tomatoes. So I'm using it to blend my moi moi. I've already put in the ingredient and I transferred it in. And for this bowl, like I said, the auto IQ setting that it has detects the bowl you put on top of it and on the button that you're supposed to use for that bowl. And for this bowl, the auto IQ on the blend and mass blend. So I went on to select the blend and then the mass blend to blend it smoothly. So guys, just take a look at the batter. And also it has the funnel like mark on the opening that you can use to pour out your batter. You don't need to open it all up. See guys, see how smooth the moi moi turned out. Oh god, I enjoyed this one. In fact, I dropped a recipe for this moi moi, so and I'm rating it 5/5 too. I love this. So guys, we'll be trying out our shredder and our slicer. using the dislike plate. We'll be using our 1.8 liters for this. So I'll place the bowl on the mortar base and I will set it up. So I'll be shredding first. So each of the face is either shredding or slicing. So I will set it such a way that the shredder, because I want to shred my carrot, the shredder will be facing up. So each face that is facing up is either shredding or is slicing. I'll be shredding my carrots while I slice my plantain. So remember I said each bowl you place on the motor base, the auto IQ setting, the machine has detect the bowl and on the button you are supposed to use. And for this bowl, the button that we are on are the chop, the puree and the mix. So because I want to shred and I want to slice, I'll be using my chop button. So guys, let's see what it looks like. We are done shredding. So this is the pieces that remained that didn't shred. And guys, just take a look at this. This is so beautiful. If you want to prep your carrot for your salad, this is a go to get. It does the work for you, no stressing. We go on to slice our plantain. So this time around I'll be facing the slicer up. I'll go on and set it while the slicer faces up. I will be using the chop button like I said earlier. See guys, see, just take a look at. We are done slicing, so let's see what it looks like. Guys, just see. All the sizes are even. This can do your plantain chips for you. Just put it there and it slices and just go on and fry your plantain. Just take a look at the size. The sizes are even. This is good. I'm giving it 5/5. Let's try out our chopper. So I am fixing my chopping blade. This is my chopping blade. I'll fix it in. So I'm going to chop this onion. I'm going to just place it down here. Let's see how well it chops this onion. Go and cover it up, and I'll on my. So this is showing me chop, puree and mix. So I want to chop this and go straight to wow, this is so good. Guys, do you see that? So you don't need to stress yourself slicing your onion to tiny pieces. Just place it here to chop it. So this is good. So I'm ready to use this for my stew or whatever I wanted to use. So guys, we'll be mixing our dough with the 1.8 liters. So I'll go in and put in all my ingredients inside the bowl. I will be using my dough blade, just as you can see so, and I will set it up and pour in all the ingredients inside it. So I've already added all the ingredients. I will go on and cover it up. Transfer it to my motor base. This time around, I will be using the mix button. Guy, I would have fast forwarded this place, but then I just want to let you guys see how it mixes my ingredients and turns it to dough. I don't need to stress myself kneading, adding, whisking. I just add everything and it does it. See guys, you need to watch this to the end. You need to see how my dough came out well mixed. So guys, I also got a report that it's so noisy. That's why I allowed the background and everything when I was doing my chopping. I was chopping my onions. So guys, based on that scene, what's your own view on the noise? To me, I think the noise is okay, like normal blender that usually make noise when they are blending stuff. So guys, let me hear from you. What do you think? I am done mixing my dough. See guys, just look how it's mixed everything. Just take a look at how my dough turns out. So I will quickly turn it off. See guys, I am giving this 5/5, and I'm going to still drop a review in the next 5 months. But for now guys, this does the work for me. I don't need to stress myself. Just take a look at our dough. I love, like, I'm rooting for this food processor. I am rooting for it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. Bye bye.